Good morning, friends. Very interesting thing I'm going to share with you today on the day of the Friendship Day. Early morning, after my normal routine, cycling to club and coming back. When I was coming back, जब वापस आ रहा था तो वहीं रास्ते में मैंने देखा कि there are a lot of people congregated in front of a house. So curiosity I also went there to see what the hell is happening. Suddenly, I found when I trudged through the people accumulated there, and I saw that there was a man who was beating his wife mercilessly, and he was screaming the Indian favorite words, "Kam chor." He was beating and saying, "Kam chor, sharkar, randi, prostitute, what all?" See, and he was beating, and the lady was screaming, बचाओ बचाओ सेव मी somebody कोई मुझे बचाओ और वो लोग तमाशा देख रहे थे all those people who were congregated there and watching all this they were also shouting you see अरे माफ कर दीजिए please forgive her she will not repeat do it again वो दोबारा ऐसा नहीं करेगी अरे माफ कर दीजिए and among all these three the person who is being beaten the person who is beating and the people who are spectators watching, all three just shouting but doing nothing. I suddenly get excited, get very angry, and hold the man. I said, stop beating. जो भी वजह है आप हाथ नहीं उठा सकते. You can't beat her. It's wrong. And there where comes my biggest surprise. Everyone became hostile. The lady who was getting a beating, the man who was beating, and this authority as a husband, and the people who were watching and doing nothing like neighbors and friends. The man shouted back to me, "Arey Colonel Sahab," because he sees me, he knows me every day. I cycle down and it's nearby. It's my wife. I can treat her the way I feel like. And the lady who was being beaten, she says, "ये आप अपना काम कीजिए, आप अपना काम कीजिए. ये तो रोज का ही है हमारा." It's an everyday affair. You continue. And the spectators turn to me. कि कि देखिए कर्नल साहब, this is not done. ये घरेलू मामला है. This is a family matter. ये आपस में निपटा लेंगे. They will resolve themselves. You don't have to get involved. It's just simply a domestic quarrel. And they will resolve it themselves. You please carry on. And this, I was perplexed, shocked on the response of all three categories. And I had no choice but to just simply take my bike and cycle down back to my. Now, my friend, today I'm going to talk about the wife bashing, Indian style. This incident, I was made to feel like a interloper. I found out that all the women were guilty. All that woman was guilty of was having cooked a bad meal for her husband, who had returned home late and somewhat drunk also. It had happened before. She took the this classic punishment as routine and she accepted as she deserved very much. My friends, all said and done. They think she was his gharwali, the homekeeper. And if she failed him in any way, he had the right to punish her. And simply, I had no business to interfere or get involved in their personal matter or domestic matter. My friends, in my country, in India, being beaten is accepted as a hazard of being married. It's a big hazard of being married. It is a common phenomena among the peasantry. You go to rural India, go to villages and watch, and especially the poor. If a wife goes to a police station to lodge a complaint, in all probability, the policeman who is also regularly beating their wives will throw her out, just send her back. She also gets no sympathy from husband's family. On the contrary, her mother-in-law and her sister-in-law, they will thoroughly enjoy her discomfiture. It would be an error to assume, my friend, that wife beating is confined to the illiterate and the poor. It's common enough among even the educated I have seen and I have witnessed, and even the well-to-do people. It's only when a woman here, is driven to desperation, or when in addition to beating his wife, the man consorts with another woman, and the ill-treated wife will report her husband to the police. Take her case to a woman's court, ask for separation or divorce. The odds are weighed heavily against her in any scenario. Married men prone to sadism, they literally get away with murder. My friend, I have no bright ideas of how to combat wife bashing, except that I do not accept it as a gharelu mamla. It is not a domestic affair or their internal matter. This I have seen, because as I've been working through my society, Husna Women and Child in Education Society, especially among the poor, downtrodden and left out, not so blessed. You see, this is a very common phenomenon. This thought, this ideology, ki ghar wala mamla, it's a worst thing, and this is the main thing why they cannot get this. These ladies do not get the protection. Personally, I have a strong revulsion for men who abuse or beat their wives or their women. I cut such men out of my life because I regard wife beating barbarous and unforgivable. My dear friend, the men who hit their women have no right to be admitted, I feel, should be accepted in civilized society. They should be expelled from all kinds of union, all kinds of clubs. Their members should be immediately expelled. And in the rural areas, they call it hukka pani ban. He should be totally banned from all kinds of society, social functions, get-togethers and congregations. And people who feel as strongly on the subject as I do should share no hukka pani with them, no company with such people. Unless we can, my friend, raise strong public opinion and get involved. If you see something injustice happening in anybody's personal life, it is no more a gharelu mamla and remain a spectator. Far too many families get destroyed and they live a very torturous and a bad life. You got to get involved. Again, especially against wife beating. Wife beater should not be forgiven. If you don't do it, it will continue. There are far too many people. I end up my talk by Mullah Nasruddin's favorite jokes I keep telling. Mullah tells his wife, listen, while going through the Indian scriptures, I was very impressed by one Tulsidas famous श्लोक दोहा कि ढोर गंवार पशु और पशु नारी ये सब हैं ताड़न के अधिकारी. The illiterate, the animals, the women and the lowly, more they're beaten, better they be. So Mullah's wife heard this joke and this shlok, and she said, Mullah, Even I am equally impressed by the same Doha. Because in this shlok, Tulsidas is very correct. I may be only all of these four categories you have just said. The lowly, the illiterate, the animal and the woman. I am just a woman, but you are all the rest of the three, my dear friends. If you want to stop this ill of the society, you got to speak for it. You got to get involved. You got to stand for it. Bring, in a friendship day, take a solemn resolve that you bring peace by involving yourself in any such family, in your friendship, in your relationship, in your society, in your neighborhood, if you know. Thank you very much. Have a great day.